What's going on, guys? Hope you guys have been good and been having a great week as usual. We're back again with another New Balance pickup. I'm pretty sure you guys already know that I'm a big fan of this silhouette, and it's the New Balance 327 in the Turtledove colorway. This colorway released way back in October, and I've been on the hunt for it ever since. I've been going to a ton of my local New Balance stores, but literally none of them had it. I remember the staff even looking at me funny like, what bro, like what are these? But after a couple months of searching, I finally found a US web store that could ship these out internationally, and I could not be happier. These are the cleanest 327s to date in my opinion, plus getting these well under retail as well makes it even better. But yeah, let's get into the unboxing, guys. So we've got your standard New Balance box once again. Now getting into the shoe, the 327s are an extremely lightweight sneaker. It is one of New Balance's entry-level sneakers in terms of price point, with the price point being about half of the usual $990 or $992s. I've already covered the inspiration behind the shoe in a previous video, so if you guys want to check that out, I'll probably link it somewhere on the screen. Sizing on these runs small, so I definitely advise going at least up half a size from your usual New Balance size. But if you're comparing against your usual Nike or Jordan size, you're good going through the size on these. So we've got a beautiful cream nubuck upper all along the fang area of the shoe, cream nubuck on the eye stays as well, nylon uppers with a light grey N logo on the side, off-white midsoles, a studded outsole once again as a 327 signature, cream nubuck detailing on the back, inner New Balance branding, tonal cream laces to match, and finally a red New Balance logo on the tongue area for a nice color pop. Again, a very high contender of mine for one of the best new silhouettes for 2020. The 327s are mad sleek and super comfy as well. The price point to aesthetic value of this shoe is so worth it in my opinion. And now that we've got all that out of the way, let's get into the fun bits with some on-foot looks and styling tips. And there you go, guys. That was 3 ways to style the New Balance 327 in the Turtledove colorway. I hope you guys found this video useful and informative. New Balance Singapore actually sent me my first pair of 327s way back, and ever since then I've been a big fan of the silhouette. I knew I had to add more colorways into my collection. It was so hard to get a hold of this particular colorway locally, but the hunt for these was definitely well worth it. But with that being said, that's gonna be it for me today, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, please drop a like, share, or comment. It does help me out with the YouTube algorithm. If you enjoy my content and would like to support me, please hit that subscribe button. Also, if you want more content from me throughout the week, don't forget to check out my Instagram. And yeah, much love guys. Peace and see you guys again soon.